So now we are going to see the second example of fish triangle or second procedure when the current is against. So fish triangle with against current, and we start with the similar procedure by plotting both the bearings, and same course to steer, engine speed and set is given, rate and positions are unknown that we have to find out. So we have lighthouse 1 and lighthouse 2. So from the first lighthouse, we are again given 2 PL, 0800 PL, 0830 PL. And from the second lighthouse, we have the third PL, 0900 PL. So we draw all the PLs and then we assume a point A. As point A is, we can take anywhere on the first PL, assuming the ship's position, and we draw the course to steer. And wherever it cuts the third PL, that is our point B. So we can see here in your phase 1 handout, first draw the PLs from the lighthouse, then we draw the course to steer from the first PL A to the third PL B, and then from A we cut the engine distance C for the time period between 080 to 030. For half an hour is the distance A to C, and from B the distance from this time between engine distance between the second and third pair, that is 0830 0900. So again half an hour. So from B to D we cut the engine distance of again half an hour. So with this also you can find out that these points are going on one on top of each other. That also indicates opposite current. And by seeing the course to steer, that course is somewhat 270, and our set is going towards 045, so it is also opposing current. This way we can check from the question also. So we transfer the first PL 0800 PL from point C, it is the first transferred PL, and we transfer the third PL, that is 0900 PL, the third transferred PL from point D, and wherever the insert intersect, that is our point E. So from point C, the first engine distance, we plot the set, and wherever it cuts the third transferred PL, that is point F, and we mark it as point F, and then we draw the course to steer. So we draw the course to steer from F to G. From F, we draw the course to steer, and wherever it cuts the third PL, that is our point G. And then we join G to A, and wherever it cuts our CF line, the set line, that is our point H. So you join GA and it is cutting at point H on this CF set line, and we join E and H, and it will cut at I on the middle or second bearing. So we can see that point, if we join E and H, it will pass and cut through this second PL at point I. At I, we will again transfer the initial set. You can plot also, you can transfer also. So at point I, we transfer the set, and wherever it cuts the third PL, that is point K, and wherever it cuts the first PL, that is point J. So you can see here the directions are reversed because of this distance. So don't confuse. K is the point for the third PL we are marking, and J is the point for the first transferred PL. Why we need to remember this? Because from the third PL, third transferred PL, point K, we have to transfer the course to the third PL. You should not make in the opposite direction, otherwise your question will be wrong. It is a principal error and you will get very less marks. So from K, that is the third transferred PL, you transfer the course to the third PL, and wherever it cuts at point M, that is our 0900 fix. And from J, you transfer the course, course to steer. You plot the course to steer, and wherever it cuts on the first PL, that is our point L, and that is our 0800 fix. Then you join, you can see this M is your 0900 fix and L is your 0800 fix. And then you join L and M, that is your course made good and the speed made good and the distance made good for 1 hour. And J and K is your drift, rate and set for 1 hour here. So it's rate also, but generally it's different timings, it's a drift. So this is your uh, fish triangle with opposing current. So just a recap, we draw the PLs, first PL, second PL, third PL, and we assume a point A, we plot the course to steer, and then we cut a distance of between the first, second PL that we mark as point C, and between second and third PL, we cut the distance from B and that we mark as point D. Then we transfer the first PL from point C. This is our first transferred PL. And we transfer the third PL from point D. This is our third transferred PL. Wherever they cut, that is our point E. From then we join what you call, we make this C to F, that is our set. We plot the set wherever it cuts the third transferred PL, that is point F. From F, we again draw the course to steer, and wherever it cuts the third PL, that is point G. Then we join G and A, and wherever G and A cuts the set, that is our point H. We join E and H and extend it, and wherever it cuts the second PL, that is our point I. From I, again we transfer the set, and wherever it cuts the first transferred PL, that is point J, and wherever it cuts the third transferred PL, that is point K. And from K, we draw the course to steer from the third transferred PL to the third PL, that is point M, and it is our 0900 fix. From J, we reverse plot the course to steer, and wherever it cuts the first PL, from the first transferred PL to the first PL, that is our point L. This is 0800 fix, and we join L to M, that is our course made and speed made good. J and K is our drift, which we can measure to get the rate of the current. So this is our fish triangle second part with uh, opposing current. So please like, subscribe and comment if you like the video. We will keep posting the further questions, solved questions, and everything about the second mates and phase 1 exams which you want to be solved slowly.